Welcome back, travelers. We are here now on Sint Maarten. So this island is consisted of two different countries. It's divided between the French side and the Dutch side. We are right now on the Dutch side, and later on we're going to also explore the French side a little bit. We actually have a hike planned out tomorrow on the French side. But today we're going to be chilling on the Dutch side. We're going to go to Maho Beach. So we're staying at a resort called Simpson Bay Beach Resort. It's on the Dutch side, and I'm gonna give you a tour of the resort here, of our room. We got the ocean view room. So you see it's all the way up here on the third floor. You get a nice view of the ocean. And you can see Maho Beach way out there. I don't see any airplanes coming in yet. I don't know when they start. We have a nice balcony with a lounge chair, table where you can eat. We'll come out here to the living room. Okay, pretty good size. Another table to eat on, and then we have a nice big full kitchen here. My wife is preparing omelets right now, so we're gonna have breakfast. Okay, and we're gonna go over to the bedroom, which is kind of small, but it still fits a king-size bed in here. And we put another twin-size bed on the floor where Eitan can sleep later on. Okay, and then we get a bathroom over here. So this is pretty similar to the bathroom my parents have. My parents are joining us on this trip, which is really cool. They actually wanted to go to Switzerland, but they couldn't find like a good tour guide to go with. So we told them to just join us. What? We're,
a good tour guide for a good price.
For a good price, yeah. No, yeah, they did have tour guides for Switzerland, but it was like extremely expensive. It was like 4,000 or more each person.
No way,
Right.
8,000 per person.
8,000?
Minimum.
That's what you said? I thought it was 4,000.
No, that's not group trip. Like if they go in a group, yeah, that would be around the price.
Right.
Not 4, 5.
5? Oh my god. 5,000?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Alright, so yeah, I mean, obviously if you go to Switzerland on your own, you can make it for a lot cheaper. And the thing is, they don't know how to travel the way we do. You know, we plan everything in advance. We find places we want to go to, and we do everything on our own. But they're more old-fashioned, and they just don't know how to use technology to find what they need to get to places and whatever. Also, one of the things I found out about St. Maarten is there's no Uber. I googled it. They said that the island does have Uber, but they told me that they're working on it and they do not have Uber yet. So we're gonna have to work that out with taxis, because we did not rent a car or anything like that. We're not planning to visit every part of the island. We're not trying to do that. So taxi should be fine. Hopefully that works out. All right, so after we have breakfast, we're gonna go see my parents. They have a nice room as well. I actually like the view from their room a little better. I love this view, don't get me wrong, but I kind of like that they have the beach view room, and you can actually access the beach really easily from there. So let's go to them right now. So I'm gonna give you guys a preview of my parents' room. Look at that. They actually got
Look, you have
a
an
mattress that just flips right down. Look at that. For an extra person if you need it.
This is like a.
We're gonna give you Eitan sleep over for a day or two. All right, so right here, this is really cool. They actually have a ocean view room. I thought they're not gonna get this, but look at this. I paid for an ocean view room, and they didn't, but they still got it. I don't know how, but it's really nice. You got a lounge chair, nice table out here. You can sit out and enjoy the beach while having your breakfast. This is the kitchen area, really nice. You got everything in there, everything included. Living room area, small TV. Eitan is the concierge here. He can help us with the luggage later on. And right over here, put the lights on. This is a bathroom. Not bad. Not bad at all. You got a shower. Everything you need is in here. And look at that, you got a door straight to the bedroom. There's actually two doors, one over here and another TV. These TVs are so small. LG though, not bad. A nice chair to lounge out on. The best part right here for the bedroom is the king size bed. Looks big, comfy. Hello. Say hello. Hi, hi. Like this. All right. So we're about to go to the garden market, supermarket. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go now. Alright. This is my father Boris, my mother Miriam. She's camera shy. Alright, so we just came back from the supermarket. It was called Garden Market. The good thing is that the shuttle takes you from the resort straight to the market. It's about 5 minutes away from here. And then they bring you back. So the cashier calls the front desk concierge and they come pick you up. I gotta say, some of the things that we got here at the Garden Market is actually more expensive than anything we got in like Hawaii or even New York City where we live. Some of the things are decently priced, but a lot of things are like so much more pricier. Like this, for example, 6-pack, and this is not even 12 ounce, by the way, Heineken beer. This is about $13. Pretty overpriced. This here yogurt, I think it's about, what was this, $6-7, I think?
Oh, this is the blue-eyed fox. I think.
Okay.
How much was this?
This was a lot.
Yeah.
This is actually a lot. If I would have known how expensive this was, I wouldn't have gotten it. So, not a lot of cherries in there either. Hey, he's moving the chairs over there. Hey, Tom, what are you doing? Okay, so where's the ice cream? Did they take my ice cream?
I already put it.
Oh, you put it in? Okay. So the ice cream here, $11. That's insane. 1.5 quarts. This in New York City, yeah, it's kosher. Of course, it's Breyers. So this in New York City is like $6 or $7 at the most. $11 over here. I'm thinking that maybe, you know, the prices are so high because it costs, you know, a lot of money for the imports for the food to come in. That could be the, you know, the reasoning for it. You know, like this is American stuff and Breyers is American, so that's some of the priciest things. No, I was gonna give one to my parents. I don't know what happened. We'll give it to them tomorrow. So we got a few other things. We got Nathan's hot dog. How much for this? Like $9, Nathan's?
Yeah. $
9 for this. And in New York City, I think it's a little bit cheaper. Hey, Eitan, don't touch. Maybe he's opening the... No, he's gonna hurt himself. Get him out of there.
They got my pepper.
You got the pepper? Alright, so the water was... How much was the water? I don't remember all the prices here. The water was about $9. Which is not... This is actually not bad for a price. For the water. And yeah, that's I think that's mostly it. And then we got sun chips. We got this sweet and spicy. Here. This is like $5. And in New York City, this would be about, I think, $3. So yeah, everything here that, especially American-made things, is definitely higher price. Like I said, like the import is probably the reasoning for it. You know, they charge higher prices for import. So anyway, we're about to go hit up the beach or the pool, and then we're gonna go to a restaurant. I'm thinking of going to the Buccaneer. It's a very popular restaurant around here. And then we'll call it a night. We're like really tired. Woke up super early in the morning to get on the plane today. So we woke up like around 5 o'clock, and then we had to get out at 6 from the house. And we got here like around 1:30 p.m. So we're like really tired. We didn't get much sleep. I got like 3 hours. My mom got like an hour of sleep for some reason. She didn't get much sleep. And yeah, we didn't get much sleep overall. So we're gonna try to get some of that tonight. So we got the garden pasta here. And fish tacos with cheese on top. My wife is not crazy about it, but it looks pretty good. I gotta try it out. What do you think? You don't like it?
I'll tell you, it's okay. I don't like the cheese. It's the first time in my whole life that I see cheese in a taco. Taco is supposed to be a light food.
I think I'm gonna like it. I love cheese.
But with cheese, it makes it heavy.
Yeah. What's the name of the restaurant?
Pelicano Beach Grill.
Yeah. And the best part is we're right on the beach. It's kind of dark, but you can't see it. So.
Yeah.
But
the
it's
vibe
really
is really nice.
Very romantic out here. It's nice. It was Eitan sleeping. Good night. He's tired. He had a long day.